Hi, welcome to 630 Park Steakhouse. I'm Chef Dave. I'm going to teach you how to make maple chipotle sweet potato mashers. They're fun, delicious, and great for family visitors. First, you take the 5 ounces of chipotle peppers and 1 cup of maple syrup and put it in a blender and grind it together. If you don't have a blender, you could do it in a mixing bowl and just smash it together. That will work as well too. You take your 5 large sweet potatoes, cut them in large pieces, put them in boiling water, a little bit of salt, 2 tablespoons of salt should be good, and bring those to a boil. And once the sweet potatoes are soft, we're going to add them to a mixing bowl if you have it. You could do it in a small KitchenAid mixer. Add your sour cream, 2 cups of sour cream, your chipotle and maple syrup that we blended together, a couple tablespoons of cinnamon, and some salt. And then add the melted butter. Mix it up until it's nice and smooth. With the hand and a whisk, will be fine. This is so good, I can eat it myself. So you can make these potatoes in advance, a couple of days before the holiday get-together for your side dish. You can place it in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 days, put it in a casserole dish, bake it in the oven anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes until hot, ready to serve. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Look forward to seeing you soon at 630 Park Steakhouse.